Are you trying to choose the right VPN for your needs? Today, we are comparing Proton VPN and PIA. Both are popular options, but which one is better for you? Both Proton VPN and PIA offer online privacy and security. They help keep your internet activity safe from prying eyes. You can browse freely and access content from different regions. Let's start with Proton VPN. It is known for its strong focus on privacy. It was created by scientists and engineers from Sun. Proton VPN offers a free version with limited features. The paid plans provide more speed and server options. It uses strong encryption to keep your data safe. Now, let's look at PIA or private internet access. This VPN is famous for its large server network. It has many servers across the world, which helps with speed and access. PIA is also user friendly. It offers a variety of features like ad blocking and malware protection. So, what are the key differences? Proton VPN emphasizes privacy and security, while PIA focuses on speed and server variety. Proton has a free version, but PIA does not. PIA is often seen as more budget friendly. When it comes to features, Proton VPN offers a built in kill switch and secure core servers. PIA has a customizable interface and additional privacy tools. Both have good customer support, but PIA has more options for advanced users. In terms of pricing, Proton VPN has a free tier, but its paid plans can be a bit more expensive. PIA is generally more affordable, especially if you choose a long term plan. In the end, if you want a strong focus on privacy, go with Proton VPN. If you prefer a larger server network and more features, PIA might be the better choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.